Hey guys, Aldin here, and this is my status update for the work week of May 20 to 24, 2024. So on the main site, last Friday, we disavowed 172 bad referring domains and 18 unique URLs from both SEMRush and the Google Search Console. So the total is now at 17,924 domains and 205 URLs. Then our 404 URLs on the Google Search Console is down a bit to just 1,165, and I've processed just 11 new 404 URLs detected in the latest crawl yesterday. This is where I got 4 toxic URLs which will be added to our disavow list this week. Then on the main site, I've initiated a backup of the main site yesterday. So the site is currently at 7.8 gigs, which is really huge. So I have selected and tested a good plugin to clean up media files that aren't used on our site. So we'll start the cleanup today and the rest of the week. So we're hoping to minimize the size of our entire site. Then on the Green Store, last week we have launched our Memorial Day sale with the 25% discount offer. So I set up the discount on our store using the Memorial Day coupon code. So created a top banner notice on our store with the code. Then I've added countdown timers and banners to emphasize the sale. So I've added it on every product page right below the add to cart button. Also, I've added it on our homepage as well as on our footer, so users won't miss the sale notice wherever they are on our site. And I've also added the 25% off badge on every product featured images, also in white text on blue background to represent the Memorial Day, just like our top banner. So yeah, I've tested the code to make sure it works. So the user can enter it on both the cart page or upon checkout. So this works. And now that these features like the countdown timers, the notices are set up on our site, we can always reuse this in the future for any other occasion or sale that we'll be doing on our store. Also, I have sent out a reminder campaign email for the sale yesterday. Then on the leads generation task, I've adjusted my process to include important details when adding new accounts to the CRM, like the phone number, website, business type, and location, or the pickup location. So that's including making sure that they are within the 35-mile serviceable radius by checking the Google Maps. And last week, we have sent out 39 emails to new contacts with average open rate of 39% and average click rate of 7.33. And we've scheduled 15 outreach emails to 15 contacts today. So yeah, that's it from me. Let me know if you have any feedback or suggestions. Thank you.